Rocco.
This is some clay, some school clay I got from my homeschool. Oops. Hey, Mom! We needed more clay to do our project, so we got more clay. And I'm really excited for this project.
It's gonna be a rainbow volcano.
A rainbow volcano? Of course. That's only what they have, rainbow volcanoes. I don't get why people think volcanoes are like black, brown.
They're really rainbow, huh? Rocco was just teaching everybody on the vlog a little learning lesson because everybody thinks volcanoes are black, but they're really rainbow. What? I think the lava's like black.
The lava's black, but I would say the volcano itself is it?
Oh my.
What?
Rocco with the ice bucket in Vegas.
God, I know.
Oh my, should we tell them the story? So hold on, we all know Rocco can't run. Start off the story with that. Rocco can't run.
If you get him going fast, more than like 20 feet, he seems to become top heavy. He just like,
Falls.
I don't know, he runs until he falls over. I don't know. I sent Rocco for ice, with the ice cream. And everything's calm, everybody's chilling in the room. We're waiting for him to get back because we were putting some things on ice before we went out for the night. And all of a sudden we hear this, like the ice, you could see it came under like the crack of the door. And you could just hear everything falling.
Is you hear little feet running down the hallway and then doom.
And so we open the door and there's Rocco on his belly, face down, ice everywhere. Because right as he approached the door, running, he fell.
You were so close.
It was so hilarious.
So close.
It was pretty hilarious. The funny stuff you don't catch on film.
And of course we weren't filming.
I think we should always be filming when Rocco's running.
Wait.
So instead, he's building a volcano.
A Mentos volcano.
Mentos volcano.
Rebecca.
Don't they do
Oh,
this-
my bad.
Don't they do this in like school science?
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
You think I can make this all by myself?
Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Oh! That's enough. Okay, so for today's vlog, we're gonna learn teach Becca how to do her hair. What is this thing? What is that? That looks like a leg. Rocco, look at that. I'm not doing this intro. Rocco, you do the intro.
Alright, so for today's vlog, we're going to be doing some science to see what Coke reacts to Mentos. Do we even have Mentos?
No. Oh, look, a magic hand put Mentos in.
Wait, do we even have Coke? Yeah, we do.
It's magic.
Don't open that right away. Did he just like shake it up? It looks fuzzy.
No.
No.
Are you serious? Down in the pan. Oh, gross.
Ugh.
Is it salty?
Every Crayola thing is edible, so.
Well,
It's not even salty.
no.
Hey, can I tell you something?
What?
You have a hair in yours.
Where? Ah, cheese!
Whoopsies.
Is this stuff edible?
You.
Oh, this is fun. Oh. Stuff smells.
Okay.
You can't have too much of it, but it smells amazing. Oh yeah. Okay.
All right.
So I accidentally already put one in.
But here's our volcano, guys.
Here's our volcano.
Look at this.
It is a beautiful masterpiece.
It's so lopsided from this side. Watch, look at it. Look how beautiful it is. It's so colorful.
Right.
Hey, nothing's perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so Rocco accidentally already dropped a package in.
So I'll just put the camera in there.
Right there.
Yeah. Sorry, but we only got one way left, so it's actually really satisfying to pour these in.
Everybody makes these things in school, right? I don't think they use Mentos and Coke, but since there's a Mentos and Coke challenge out there all the time, and you know, everybody does this.
T-shirt that
You really think it's gonna be that big of a mess? It's on a tray.
How you pouring
It's
it?
lopsided. I would like it like this.
Okay. Go for it. 3, 2, 1. Just pour it.
Okay.
Stop.
Stop. Is it coming up?
No. Okay, enough. Oh, Rocco! Rocco! Wow, Rocco.
Bubbles that came over?
That was him.
You just poured it until it came out?
Yeah.
What?
It was fine. It was just.
So the Coke and Mentos thing doesn't work because now
You know
I've watched several videos. I don't see it working.
All you need is Rocco to overdo it, and
You know
there you
what?
go. Oh, that's going too. Oh. It's not going in, Rocco. It went back down.
No. Oh, ready?
Your hands are so gross. Take a sip. Okay, so Rocco's not willing to give up yet.
He wants to make more mess.
Yeah, he wants to make more mess for us to clean up.
already showed-
We're still in the middle of cleaning up the first mess. Like, yeah. We're still in the middle of it. So he says you're supposed to put it in a smaller or an all full bottle. So he's trying to
Just hold
pour this into here.
You hold it.
Ugh. Oh. I don't even know why I washed my hands.
There's holes on both sides.
On.
We're telling you it's not gonna work. The Mentos are all used up. Can we call it quits now?
Wait.
Yeah. It's like minty Coke.
All right, are we done now?
Even like Coke.
Are we done? Are we done? Say yes, please.
Are you done? Alright guys, so that was today's vlog. Well, I mean, we tried. It didn't go too well. There's a big puddle of Coke we tried to clean. There's a big puddle of Coke on the counter that Becca's cleaning. And in the trash, there's the dough. There's all the Coke, the water bottle that still failed, by the way. And I hope you guys like this vlog and enjoy the Scooter Zone clips from today. We went to Scooter Zone. Be sure and like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to see next. What do you want Becky and Raccoon to do next? And we're gonna have a really nice vlog tomorrow because we're gonna be with the Dudesons. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Wait, are you gonna flare that one, Rocco? Oh! Oh! You almost had that! Woo! Ah. That was good.
I think you forgot something again.
You forgot your scooter this time.
I think you need that to land with your try, but hey, whatever floats your boat, bud.
All right, what are you doing? What'd you say? You're trying your what? Your smallest where?
Yeah.
Where?
Probably right there.
All right, let's go do it. Just landed it. First try. What? Oh, let's see it. Come on, Kyle, we gotta see this. Woo! Woo! That one was nice. That one was nice. Steezy. Woo! Oh, he's on his butt. He is on his butt. Oh! Oh! Once again, you forgot the scooter. You're not doing it? That was it! There you go.